Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys a great product by one of the guys I've been working with for a while now off Amazon. And this is a golf practice net. So I'm going to keep this really short and sweet. Obviously it's made out of a polyester type material, very similar to what you're going to find in a tent, but much more durable. The size on this is about 8.9 feet, but you can get different size variations depending on if it's a child using this or a full-grown adult. Click my link in the description to check out which sizes they have and what might be better for you to suit your needs. Now, I am not a professional golfer by any means. I'm not even a golfer, but I did want to share this product with you because there are a lot of people out there who are golfers. So check it out. Link is in the description. Again, 12-month warranty. You have a made of like a superior polyester type material, super durable. They do say that you could set this up in about 5 minutes. I will say it took me about half an hour because it's the first time setting it up. Very similar to a tent, it's just a lot larger. So in my space, I'm pretty limited on where I can set this up. So I did it on my front lawn. I'm sure my friggin' neighbors love it, but I really don't give a shit. So anyway, check it on out here. Real straightforward. Again, I'm not a professional golfer, but if I was, that would have been an embarrassing shot. Sorry guys, thanks for watching. Click the link, let me know if I can help you guys out in any way. As always, my email address is always in the description of every video. Check out the link, let me know if you pick it up, let me know what you think of the quality, and you guys have a great day. Take care.